Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I am going to show you guys how to do a Google removal if you have reset your tablet. Currently I do have a Gmail account in this tablet. I also do have a passcode on this tablet. I just downloaded the Instagram app and also the Facebook app using the Play Store. So guys, you can find these apps on the device. But however guys, in this video I am going to pretend that I do not know the passcode and that I do not know the Gmail account. So I'm going to power off the device, and this is how you will reset your device if you forgotten your passcode and also your Gmail account. Or it can be that the device was given to you by someone. So I just entered the recovery mode, and what you need to do, you need to hold the volume up and the power button for this model, and then when the device turns on you need to release the power button. So guys, I am going to wipe data factory reset. So by me doing this, it will wipe the tablet, but also there will be a backup security feature with the Gmail account. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So what we need to do here, we need to turn on the device. The first thing it will ask us to do is to enter our Wi-Fi password, and it will then ask you to enter your Gmail account. Some devices will give you an option to enter the passcode in which you are using with the device. So if this happens to you, then you need to get that Gmail account removal. And the term that is being used is FRP removal. Right, so I'm going to show you guys how we are going to do all of that. So the device is now being reset and it's starting up as when we've got the device brand new. So here we go. The first thing in which it's gonna ask us for is our Wi-Fi. Normally you can see set up offline, but we can't set up offline. So I need to enter my Wi-Fi password in order to continue. So if this happens to you, I am going to show you how we are going to do this. So I'm just going to enter my Wi-Fi password quickly. So guys, I've entered my password for my internet connection, and once it is connected, it's going to ask us to enter back our Gmail account. And if you don't know this, then I am going to help you remove it. There are different tools in which we can use to remove this. And guys, it's a security for your devices. If your device is being stolen or anything like that, then whoever tried to reset the device, they will not able to use it. So it's getting the information now from the internet as well. So it's getting ready. Let me take a few minutes, guys. So just a few moments, and then it's going to bring up the Gmail page. So once we hit next here, choose your other device, right? It is going to bring up the Gmail page, right? So this is what I'm talking about, guys. We either need to use the password or PIN that we had used on the device before. So if you do not know this, you have to get a removal, or you can enter the Gmail account instead, or you won't be able to use the tablet. You need to get rid of this, or you won't be able to use the tablet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we are going to bypass this, how we are going to remove it completely from the device. So this is the area in which we need to put in the Wi-Fi, in which we need to put in the Gmail account. So I am going to shut down the tablet, power off, and this is the software in which I'll be using on my computer. So for me to hook up this tablet to this software, I need to hold down the volume down, and I need to put in the cable, the USB cable. So that's what I am going to do now. The USB cable, and hold down the volume down. While I connect the device. So what will happen here is that in the background you can see that it is scanning the device, and if you look over here you can see where it says 55% and the percentage is going up, right? And when it finishes, it will load up like this. So guys, if you look here now, this is the tablet, and we have a bunch of options here. Want to go to repair, software repair, you want to go to repair itself, and if you look you can see remove FRP. This is the FRP lock from the device, which is the Google lock. You can also use this to do a factory reset as well. This software is not free. You can look for it on Google, but it is not free. And I am going to do the Google removal now, and then you hit start procedure, and it will remove the Google lock. So as I'm stating that this is not free, the software is not free, and also it's saying here this operation can remove all user data from the phone, like pictures, music, and also it says that this is a dangerous operation, use only if necessary. Then you hit OK, and when you do this you want to ensure that your tablet do have battery charge as well. So as you can see, it's completed, and the tablet should reboot itself. Let's see. So it says communication failed. The tablet will reboot itself. If not, we will need to reboot it. So guys, if you look, I do have the tablet here, and we need to reboot this manually. So guys, you want to turn on the tablet, and if it's not turning on, you want to hold the volume down. So as you can see, the tablet is now turning on. So as you can see here, we have setup offline, and that will let you know that the Google account is removed. So we can go now and we can set up the tablet without any problem. So as you can see guys, that's how you remove the Gmail account from your Android tablet. There are different softwares in which you can also do this with. If you need any help doing it, you can let me know in the comment section below.